Hi, Sean. This is where I got the gas line run through into the closet. Right there, I had to bust through that wall. Okay, and then this is the closet, and you have the whole closet down in here. You have all kinds of room back in there. Nothing's in there but this dryer vent right here, which I can't really change that or whatever. It'd take too much. But the gas line is going to have to go from there down this wall through the concrete across the floor over here to get into this cabinet right here to get to your range top. Okay? All right, that's one issue. The joists up in the ceiling up here are running this way, and there's no way to get through the ceiling. So I can't do the ceiling. It's got to go through the floor. Okay, the next room. This is the door to the laundry room. I got this wall torn off. You want this door taken out. If you want this door taken out, then I can take it out. That way I can sheet rock this whole wall right here, solid, and close that in. This over here is where it's taken off. I gotta grind this off right here, and then I'm running new sheetrock over the whole wall.
Sorry, I'm flipping it again.
All the way down. This is all torn off. You can see they got metal posts in here. You know, it's built really good. And it got one in the middle of each window. Right over here. And right over here. And the same over here with the block wall. Then I'm going to sheetrock over top of the block wall right here.
Media.
Okay, and this is where you wanted to put your screen. The problem is all this plumbing running through here is cast iron and goes up to your bathroom upstairs. So Sarah's going to show you what all this is involved up here. So I can't finish framing this in or close this in until we change all the bathroom upstairs. So I'll let Sarah film that up there. And all that piping that you're seeing is going to have to be changed. So I can't close this in yet. Okay, next, over here is the other door to the utility room off the entry.
Explain what that banging is. He's going to tell you what that banging is.
Hey, Victor, stop a minute. And then this is the laundry room. I tore out these walls. This is going to be wired out of the way, fix the ceiling or whatever, and then this is open, and then the floor will be torn out. And here's where the Warner cable is coming in right here, and then I'm running this to your office and upstairs, and I'll show you those spots and everything else, but I can't do nothing until that's finished and rewiring that.
This is Victor banging a hole for the gas pipe for your water heater.
Hey guys.
For the gas vent, it's got to go through the fireplace chase. And I've already got in all the gas line in through here for everything and stubbed out where it needs to go.
Where is it?
This pipe right here. And it goes over to the water heater. You don't need to get all that. It's just in.
They like detail.
Yeah. Okay, next issue.
Sorry, I'm all over the place, guys. Hopefully you're not dizzy.
Is the curved entry right here.
Oh.
This or whatever, can't stay curved like this. Either a wall has to be put from that wall straight across over here, or Sean, you were talking about taking this out, and we can only go back to here because the joists are sitting on that wall, so we can't take any of that out. So this wall can go back to here, and this taken out, or we could, I don't know if we could put something across here and open this whole entry up and cut this off back here. But that'll be something that you decide when you get here. Okay? And now walking back into your office. This is all torn off and gonna be redone. Here's another post for the I-beam that I had to drill through. Okay. Here's your office. And I got the can lights in here. I added extra plugs down below. And then this is gonna be, the sheetrock is only gonna come to here.
Slow down.
And then you're gonna have to, we're gonna have to sand and paint this block wall because, to put it over it, it won't work with everything else. So the sheetrock will just come to here, then it'll be block wall below. And so I'm running a line in for your office, and it was gonna come from the utility room over here, and it can either go here on this wall, which would be easiest, or I'd have to take all this out, come over through here, and put it here somewhere. I don't know where in the office you want it. If you wanted it over on that wall, I'd have to go across the top and run the cable in there and tear all that out. So that's that. And then if Sarah turns around, the door to the guest bedroom.
He's new at narrating videos, I think. We gotta go slow.
Yes,
They're getting dizzy. Okay. Go ahead.
Then here's the door to the guest bedroom, and it's gonna be sheetrock back past to here. And I'm not doing anything in the bedroom because we won't have time down here because all this needs to be redone. This wall was already sheetrock. So you said Alicia planned on putting lights on this wall. So let me know the locations because I got the other side of the wall open. I have to drill those and put those in and put a switch right here so she can turn those on, so I can insulate your office wall so that there's no noise in between. So let me know on this wall where she wants a light put in. And next we're going to go upstairs. Yeah, can you film from here and show him where this wall, where this will have to be cut back to here, if we can do it, and this corner taken out, and then he can redo these stairs square over here. But that's when he gets here. You wanted the Ethernet, I thought you said on this wall, but if you look, I don't know if it do you any good over here on this wall in the hallway. Here's your bedroom. Your bedroom comes to right here. Then there's the bathroom all the way over to here. And I was going to put the Ethernet right down over in here somewhere. And then this goes into that other room.
He did find 2 vents and he cut out the opening for the air conditioning vents.
And that's about it. And then I'll be taking more of this stuff off when I get to it. So if you need any other information, you know who to call.
This guy right here.
Yeah. Love you guys. Bye.